wishing each one of you a happy International Yoga Day. Today, let's focus on the poses that are effective for those dealing with PCOS or Polycystic Ovary Syndrome. Before starting any new routine, always consult your healthcare professional. Let's begin with the poses. Each pose you can hold for anywhere between 5 to 10 breaths. The first pose is balasana or the garland pose. Keep your feet hip-width apart, toes turned out at an angle of 45 degrees, palms at your heart center. Inhale. As you exhale, bend your knees, lift the chest. Use your upper arm to move the knees away from each other. Inhale, come all the way up. Exhale to release Samasthiti. The second pose is setu bandasana or the bridge pose. Come down on the mat and lie down on your back. Keep your knees and your feet hip-width apart. As you inhale, lift the hips up, roll the shoulders, interlock your fingers. Bring the chest closer to the chin. As you exhale, release your palms and your hips down. The third pose is dhanurasana or the bow pose. Lie down on your abdomen. Separate your feet hip-width apart. Bend your knees. Toes pointing to the ceiling. Hold on to your ankles. Forehead on the mat. Inhale. As you exhale, lift your chest, lift your thighs off the mat. Exhale to release. The next pose is bhujangasana or the cobra pose. Bring your feet together, toes pointing back, top of your feet pressed firmly into the mat, palms below your shoulders. As you inhale, lift the chest up, shoulders away from your ears. Exhale, forehead on the mat. The last pose is the sarvangasana or the shoulder stand. Lie down on your back. Lift both the legs up to the ceiling. Support your lower back. As you inhale, lift the hips off the mat. Toes pointing towards the ceiling. Keep your gaze at the tip of your nose. As you exhale, bend your knees. Support your back. Roll vertebrae by vertebrae on the mat. Roll over to any one side and come to a seated posture. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste.